हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आशा करता हूँ आप सब लोग अच्छे होंगे एंड आपका ट्रेडिंग बहुत अच्छे से चल रहा होगा। अगर नहीं भी चल रहा है तो हो जाएगा। ओके, सो बहुत दिनों बाद वीडियो बना रहा हूँ। बिजी विथ ट्रेडिंग एंड ऑल। सो ये वीडियो लाइक इट विल बी नॉट लाइक एनी पोर्टफोलियो और एनीथिंग. It is just a basket which I have built and I am trading it in live accounts. So just wanted to share how the stats looks like and what I have built and what you can also build and you can also trade the same with us. So first of all, the returns are very decent as per option selling, and if you have like a genuine mindset and genuine kind of expectation from the markets, then it is very easy for us to make money through option selling. Okay, so uh, ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि ऑप्शन सेलिंग से पैसा बनाना बहुत इजी है अगर आपका एक्सपेक्टेशन है ईयरली 25 to 26 या 30% के अंदर, ये आपका टारगेट है तो आपके लिए ऑप्शन सेलिंग बेस्ट है। अगर आपका माइंडसेट है कि आपको एक साल में 100% रिटर्न चाहिए, देन ऑप्शन सेलिंग इज नॉट फॉर यू। ओके, so let's go into the algo test screen and I will show you how the basket looks like. Okay, let's go into the portfolio. Okay, now let's backtest it from 2024 January. Okay, so uh, the only reason I'm sharing this portfolio is just to know my audience that yeah, this is also can be built in the market, and you can also trade the strategies like this and make money out of the markets, and what I'm already doing from past 6 or 7 months, from where means from April I'm running the strategies. So I'm sharing it. It is not like this is the only strategy I'm running. As per the market dynamics and everything, if market is changing, we need to modify our strategy. We need to move according to the markets. Okay, so let's see how the back test looks like, and I'll put the genuine slippage also, like what I am getting in the market जो रेल के साथ मैच कर रहा है, उसके स्लिपेज के साथ ही हम लोग देखेंगे द स्टैट्स. ओके, लेट्स सी. Okay, back test is almost done. So this is how the equity curve looks like, and this is how the drawdown curve looks like. Okay, first of all, let's add charges. Let's take slippage of 1.7 percentage. Generally it match with 1.5. I'm taking 1.7 just to include the hedge cost also here. Let's see slippage के बाद see. This is how the result looks like, and post slippage this is how the backtest result till date. Okay, now let's see the stats. Okay, so this is how overall profit is 46 lakhs. Number of trades, this is average profit per period 25k. Win percentage is 71%, loss is 28%. Average period, like winning period is 43k, average loss is 17k, max profit in a single period is 1,93,000. I still remember I have made this in the month of April. Okay, when the VIX was very high due to that Trump tariff announcement. Post that we have a clean Sensex decay session, sorry, Nifty decay. On that day, I have made this close to like 4%. Okay, so max loss is 56k, max drawdown is 79. That is 80k. Okay, at the end, I will tell you the like basket size, what is the capital I have used here. Okay, max drawdown 3 days, RMDD 33, risk to reward 2.5, expectancy 1.5. Okay, max win streak is 14, losing streak 2, drawdown is 6 days. Okay, so for building this portfolio like this, I have used the capital of 50 lakhs. Okay, so this is what the strategy looks like. And now the general questions, like what algo test, like slippage, back test result doesn't match with live, ये वो, ये आपको बता देना चाहता हूँ. On these strategies I have not used any re-entries. Okay, like any range breakout strategies, or any like momentum based strategies. Okay, so in these scenarios only we'll face more slippage. Like on Nifty 0.5 से ज़्यादा slippage लगता भी नहीं है in live also. Sensex data we can't trust, so I'm putting the slippage of 1.7%. So जैसे कि देख सकते हो लास्ट ईयर 31 lakhs बना था with a drawdown of 56,000. Now we are making only 15 lakhs on a drawdown of 80,000. So why this drastical change? Because last year VIX was also high, Sensex premium were also high, and we made a returns like this. But this year VIX is at 10. Okay, and if VIX is at 10, then premium is very low. अब प्रीमियम लो अगर होगा तो ऑप्शन सेलर पैसा नहीं बनाएंगे. स्टिल 15 lakhs on a capital of 50 lakhs, it is almost kind of 20-30%. so that's okay. देखते हैं एंड ऑफ द ईयर, और 2 महीना बाकी है, एंड ये अक्टूबर स्टिल रनिंग एट 12K लॉस. So on a 80,000 kind of drawdown, it is less than like 2%. Okay, so with less than 2% of drawdown, if I'm making like 20% also, then it is a very good returns. Okay, so what if anyone wants to join, or anyone wants to run this strategies on their account, what they can do is, if they have capital kind of 50 lakhs or once year, though they can buy the liquid bees and GSEC bonds. From there you can get a decent return of 6 to 7% per year, and with these strategies you can generate a decent and calm return of 20 to 25%. So it is almost like 30-35% per year growth on your investment. So um, with a safest to safest strategy in option selling. Okay, this is only option selling. I haven't used any buying setup here. So with selling you can make the returns like this. And this is only zero DT, is ओनली एक्सपायरीज वीकली 2 दिन बस. और जितना भी नॉइज है मार्केट में, लाइक वीकली एक्सपायरीज बंद हो रहे हैं, ये वो, पहले भी न्यूज़ था, अभी भी न्यूज़ है, आगे भी न्यूज़ रहेगा. लेट्स फोकस व्हाट्स इन आवर हैंड एंड फोकस ऑन ट्रेडिंग. ओके, ये basket is I'm all again telling, this is not for sell. I'm not selling anything here. This is how we are running it, and you can also run our systems if you want. Okay, you can reach out to us and we can discuss everything. So nothing is guaranteed here. So मार्केट में ना पहले कुछ था गारंटीड, ना आगे कुछ रहने वाला है. वी कैन जस्ट वर्क ऑन द प्रोबेबिलिटीज एंड हाउ द थिंग्स आर working out here. So okay, so and one more thing, this is only for the people who have like decent capital to run this system, because minimum basket size itself is 50 lakhs. So less than 50 lakhs anyways you can't run this strategies and all. So 50 lakhs will be the requirement. And one more thing, like if you have like small capital and you want to start with decent strategies, I have already shared one video in my YouTube channel, the recent video only, that is also like zero. Anyways, I will show that. Let's go into YouTube and I will show you what is the strategies. Okay, so this is what new regime Brahmastra. This is what the video I have shared, and this portfolio you can take, you can trade, and it is like you can run this with like 6.5 or 7 lakhs cap. So this is you. This is the one option you have if you have less capital, and if you have like decent capital, you can run this system. Okay, so this is what I just need to share to the clients, or if anyone interested, you can run this kind of strategy and you can make money out of it. Okay, so let's connect and let's catch up. Okay, thank you.